Well, it's a pretty lousy day for a foreigner in the Philippines, but we're over at the terrible house. Now that's the project that we've called this particular house because the original house was terrible. And that's the original house that you can see through there, and on the outside trying to keep the... You know what I think we have? Beth! Umbrella! There's an umbrella in there. We've got Bacho with us and he loves to lock and unlock the doors. So actually this is the mid-afternoon of day one, and Beth has got an umbrella which is supposed to be to keep the camera dry. So, hey Petty, well, look at that. This is not quite the end of day one. I think it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we've done, this is the same design as the blind man's house. So you can see it comes right out. There's the basic house, which is a small, look at it, a small square. And then here in this side there will be a small seated area and a tiny open fire kitchen. So we're doing great. Look at that, another $1 million view right on the water. No, but hardly $1 million view because it's right next to, look what, that's the crab factory. So, but it does, even though, what are you resting again? You're resting again. This is the first time that we've had a little walk around. I remember coming down here, oops, I'm probably on an electrical cable there. I remember coming down here when I brought Beth, and she went to an all-night prayer meeting, and they came down here and they took, see that boat through there, through the trees? It's kind of like a mangrove. And these are small ferry boats, fishermen's boats. And they took her out to an island way out there somewhere. I think that this particular one, she was away all night. I came down here, Timio, and a lot of people from, well, a lot of the congregation all came down here. Gosh, I remember having our photograph taken on that stump there. I think it was a tree then. So look, it's nice to see the sea, but it's not. Oh, there's another electrical cable. Sorry, I'm dropping things. So that's the actual structure. Apex roof. What looks like a halfway floor. It looks as if it's going to be a two-story, but it's not. They put those straps in there of wood, and then they make up a platform that they can work from. But actually it's not going to be that at all. And that's been taken up to accommodate that extended roof for what will be the open kitchen and the seated area. Right, so it's a tiny house, but oh boy, it's a lot. It's 1,000,000 times better than what was there, because let's face it, anything could be better than what's there, and that's the old man in there. Incidentally, someone said, that's an inappropriate title. How can he be 60 and a 60-year-old man? Well, we're talking about semantics. in my mind, in my eyes, it looks like he's had a very hard life. And then his partner passed on, and now he's left alone. And he doesn't seem to be terribly capable. Well, it's not for us to judge. We look at we look at how wretched is the condition that people are living in, and there you can see how he gets in and out of that house. We called that the bamboo house at first. That was how it was described to us. So, Beth and I have done a materials run. We brought down the amakon, the cladding. We've also brought down strips of bamboo. We'll need some extra bamboo, even though we did get some left over from the last house we did, which is a leaning house. So now they're taking that out. We also bought some I think 3 or 4 bags of cement for ourselves. So there's about 10 bags of cement to come for this job, and then we'll be leaving just a few bags for us. Okay, so that's our work in progress. This is the end of, well, we'll take it as being the end of the first day. First day's work. Pretty amazing. I thought. This is a foreigner in the Philippines. Thanks for looking in. We'll be back.